Hey you guys, it's LuCinda Carol. So these are some Christmas trees that I had up this year for Christmas, and I actually made these. I'm pretty sure if you're familiar with Dollar Tree, going into Dollar Tree, you saw these little Christmas trees. I took these Christmas trees and I also purchased some white vases from the Dollar Tree as well. And I took some jute string and I covered this glass vase with the jute string, and inside, right here inside, you can tell that I have like the green moth covering my styrofoam. So I really enjoyed how this project turned out, but I was so disappointed when I had to take these little cuties down for Christmas. So I kept thinking, what could I do to replace them, because I didn't want to store them up for next year. And I knew that there had to be another project that I could do with this. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the Christmas trees from the jars, and I have purchased some onion grass from the Dollar Tree. And as you can tell, I have purchased 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 8 altogether. But I'm going to take these and I'm going to replace my Christmas tree with this. I think the onion grass is going to really look good once I get it laid out in my jar. But I think this is something that will carry over for the spring and summer. So again, this is onion grass that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. And so stay tuned and I will come back and show you my finished project. Okay guys, I'm back. So as I was saying, this is the before picture of the Christmas tree, and I apologize for the glare coming off that lamp. But this is the Christmas tree that I done for Christmas, and after I added my onion grass, I took my Christmas tree out, and here you go, guys. I think this project turned out super cute, and so now I can use these just to kind of sit around in my house for some greenery. But all I done was I took the Christmas tree out, and I took the onion grass, and I just pushed down in the corners of my vase, and voila, here we go. I was thinking about adding something to the bottom here, but just the more I keep looking at it, I think I'm just going to leave it be. Because like I said, I just want some greenery sitting around, and I just think this project turned out really cute. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I hope you guys have a great week. Thanks.